This is a review of the multifunctional tool. It's a carabiner. It's not climbing grade carabiner. I wouldn't string this up to a climbing rope and put my life on the line with this one. It's just for aesthetics. It has a barrel that you can roll down, and it's got a decent clip on it. It has two screwdriver tips. It has the flat tip and the star tip. It also has a bottle opener on the hilt, and it has a folding out blade. It has a serrated edge to cut paracord, and it has a sharp blade for cutting rope. It has a press function there to close the blade, as you can see. It's quite big. It fits in the palm of my hand, but it's a nifty addition to my ECD. This will save me carrying a larger fixed blade knife for cutting rope, so I'm quite happy with this. It's in brushed black gunmetal, but I suppose over time this will wear. So that's my multifunctional carabiner tool.